beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you guys 5 credit cards that won't deny you. And then I even have some bonus credit cards at the end, you guys. So if you guys want to find out 5 credit cards that won't deny you, definitely stick around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, beautiful people. So the first credit card that I want to talk to you guys about is a self credit card. Now, it's a secure credit card, you guys, but to get this secure credit card, you have to sign up for something called self. Now, I already have self. I signed up for it already. So what I do is I pay $48 per month for 12 months. And then after the 12 months, they send me all that money back. But while I'm paying the $48 per month, they report that to the credit bureau. So my credit score went up. My credit scores went up over 155 points. So if you're looking for credit cards that will go ahead and approve you without, it's instant approval, that's probably because your credit's not that good. So signing up for self will help improve your credit too. That way you have a better approval odds. So definitely sign up for self. Now, to get their secure credit card, all you have to do is just make sure that you sign up and you have at least $100 saved up and you pay 3 consecutive months on time. After you do that, you can go ahead and sign up for their secure credit card, and there you go. You will have a credit card. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the credit builder card. Now, the best thing about the credit builder card, you guys, is that you can get 2 of them. There's only a $200 deposit on these credit cards, which is really good because some of them, they may require you to put $500 down or maybe even more. But this one, you only have to put $200 down. You're able to get 2. They report to all 3 credit bureaus. You can sign up in as little as 2 minutes, you guys. No credit score approval because they're not going to check your credit at all. And they usually report within 2 weeks, which is much sooner than a lot of other credit cards. So definitely, you guys, go ahead and check them out. I know that if you're in Wisconsin, you cannot use this credit card, but I definitely just want to throw this option out there because Wisconsin is one state. There's so many other states. But if you're looking to get a secure credit card, this is a good one because they're not going to check your credit at all. Now, the AG Jewelers credit card, it's a $10,000 line of credit. It's similar to a credit card, but it's not going to be an actual credit card to the point where we can use it everywhere. It's much more like a trade line. A lot of people want to add trade lines on their credit reports because they want to really see a great increase in their credit score. So they'll add this $10,000 line to their credit reports. Now, remember, they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So that's really good, you guys. You want to make sure your credit cards report to all 3 credit bureaus. And when they report to all 3 credit bureaus, it should really make your credit score go up. Now, when you sign up for this account, you will have to pay $149. And then after that, just to sign up for a membership fee. Then after that, every year they want you to pay $99.99. And that's only because they're going to keep reporting to the credit bureaus, you guys. As soon as you stop paying on this account, that $99.99 per year, that's when they're going to stop reporting. So go ahead and keep paying on this account until you don't want it on your credit reports anymore. Now, it's going to take about 15 to 45 days for them to go ahead and report to the credit bureaus, you guys. But at least you guys will be able to have an account on a credit reports, especially if you're looking for more of a trade line and you need to just build your credit. I always tell people to have 4 credit cards, so this would be a great one to start off with. Now, another credit card that you guys can sign up for is the OpenSky credit card. Now, this is another secure credit card, but if you're in Wisconsin, you can get this credit card. Now, when you apply for this credit card, you guys, you're able to put anywhere from $200 down all the way up to $3,000 down, you guys. And look at this review right here. Thank you, OpenSky card. You have helped me fix my credit score from a 564 to a 616 within 3-month period so far. So that is really good, you guys. 3 months and their credit score is in the 600s from the 500s. That is really good. Now, I usually can get my client's credit score a little higher than that sooner. Now, usually I tell my clients, wait about 45 days, 30 to 45 days, you see a great increase in your credit score. Now, if you're interested in me maybe fixing your credit, maybe you have things on your credit you need to get fixed, definitely go ahead and call or text me. My phone number is 833-RICKITA, and I can go ahead and help you out. Now, remember, with the OpenSky credit card, it's just like any other secure credit card. Go ahead and put your deposit down, and then they'll send you this credit card in the mail. Now, remember, with secure credit cards, after you close your account, that's when you're going to actually get your money back. But I do not suggest you close your account until you actually have at least 4 other major credit cards reporting for at least 6 months, 6 to 12 months before you start closing these credit cards. Because as you close these credit cards, it's going to really drop your credit score if you do not have other credit cards. So definitely look into that. Now, the 5th credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Victoria's Secret credit card. A lot of times people looking for credit cards just because they cannot get accounts to report They cannot get accounts to report to the credit bureau, so they want to get accounts. I'm not going to go through here. They are so naked, but they cannot get accounts to report to the credit bureau, so this would be a great way to get it to report. Now, with this credit card, there's something called the shopping cart trick. With the shopping cart trick, you're able to get approved for this credit card without them checking your credit score or without them giving you that hard inquiry. I see a lot of people get approved for this credit card. So definitely go ahead and check out this Victoria's Secret credit card and watch my video on the shopping cart trick. I'm pretty sure you're going to get a pop-up letting you know about the shopping cart trick. So go ahead and definitely check this out. Now, the bonus credit cards that I want to tell you guys about is also in the shopping cart trick. Now, a lot of my clients got approved for these credit cards, so you're going to see a lot of pop-ups just popping up on the screen. These are results from clients that actually got approved for these different credit cards without them checking their credit reports and without them giving a hard inquiry. So this is the Express website, you guys. You can come on here and apply for some of these credit cards too. Now, I say some of these different credit cards. It's only one credit card. Apply for this company's credit card, but they'll give you different limits depending on, I guess the area that you're in, and also maybe they'll get an insight on their website when you start shopping around how much they want to approve you for. I'm not sure the amount that you're going to get approved for, but here's the pop-ups to show you other clients that got approved. Now, usually with this one, I see about people get approved for like $150. Some people get approved for $500, $750, or $1,000. But with the Overstock, which is another company I want to tell you guys about, with the Overstock credit card, I just see somebody got approved for a $4,000 credit card, $2,000 credit card. So I want you guys to keep trying, these different companies with the shopping cart trick. Go ahead and check out that video, you guys. I'm pretty sure I have a tag. You'll see a pop-up for it, or I'll have it down in the comments. Go ahead and check it out to see how to do the shopping cart trick and learn this method. If you guys want me to try to do the shopping cart trick for you and try to get you approved for these credit cards, definitely let me know. Go ahead and click the link down below and sign up so I can try the shopping cart trick for you. And remember, guys, I offer credit repair services. I offer help with removing inquiries from your credit reports, late payments, bankruptcies, charge-offs. So if you guys need help with that, don't hesitate to go ahead and call me. And remember, you guys, make sure you guys like this video, drop a comment down below on what video I should make next, and go ahead and make sure you subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.